How to send PowerPoint presentation PPT on mobile WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send the PPT on mobile WhatsApp. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to send the PowerPoint presentation using the WhatsApp on your mobile, first you'll have to send the PPT file onto your device. You'll have to save it as either a PDF, or you can save it as a document or any such. You can save it to your phone, right? Once you have saved it on your phone storage, you can simply open up WhatsApp and you can open up any chat that you wish to. So once you open up the chat, what you can do is you can simply tap on the little file icon, the pin icon that you can see beside the camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Once there, you'll be able to see the various options. You can send anything using your camera gallery, and you can see documents option. Simply tap on documents. Now tap on browse documents, and now you'll be able to browse through the files on your phone, right? So here you want to select the file, the PPT file that you downloaded, and you can simply send it. So this way you can send the PPT on mobile WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.